What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is an unboxing of the Alienware 310H headphones. Now my son had these for about a year. These are the white pair and they have the extendable microphone. These are wired only, but they work really good wired, and they work with Xbox One, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or even PC. You just need a 3.5mm jack to plug into. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Go ahead and take them out. The packaging is very nice. Here it is. What I like about them is they have memory foam ear pads that go around your ear. They are labeled left and right. So right here, as you notice, it doesn't have that bonded fake leather, as you can see right here and over here. So you don't have to worry about flaking later on. These old headphones, they also have the same design right here around your ear pads that go around your ear, creating passive noise cancellation. But on the outside of them, there is that bonded leather. And the band right here is rubberized. But over a year, so far, there's no cracking or peeling. The headphones are adjustable. Now, when I put them on, it feels really soft. And the more you wear them, the more it forms to your head because of the memory foam. They swivel so you can rest them down on your chest. And the microphone slides in and out and bends. All right, so we're gonna get the rest out right here. Like the cables. So we have the PC adapter cable. It is labeled microphone right here. There's a picture of the microphone. And this one, it plugs into your 3.5 headphone jack. There's even an Alienware logo on the volume control. And right here, if you slide down, you can mute the mic, slide up to unmute. And you got a volume control right here. Scroll up and down for volume down. Simply plug it in right here. Make sure the volume control is near your chest. And on the other side, right here, if you plug it into PC, you want to plug in that adapter, the Y adapter, and then plug in the green, goes to the headphone jack, and the pink or peach goes to the microphone jack on your PC. So I'm going to plug it into my PC and do an audio check and see how you guys like it. This is Tampatec and this is Sea of Thieves. I'm wearing the Alienware headset with the built-in microphone. And Sea of Thieves is an online multiplayer game for Xbox and PC. Yes, it is cross-platform. You can play with your friends, whether you're on PC or Xbox. This microphone is adjustable. It slides in and out. And you can bend it toward your mouth. Or you can even mute it by using the slide switch on the cable. So let's go ahead and test that out. Testing, 1, 2. There's also a volume control on the cable as well. So this is a great headset for whether you're streaming or playing online games with your friends. The headset is quite lightweight. The first day you wear it might be a little stiff and uncomfortable, but the ear pads have built-in memory foam. So it does form to your head during that first day. After the first day, it should feel more comfortable because it forms to your head. The ear pads go around your ear, not on your ear, so it creates passive noise cancellation, which is really nice. These ear pads have this material that is ventilated and absorbs sweat, and it's very breathable, which is really nice. And you don't have to worry about it flaking off after a year. The 50mm drivers in the headset makes the audio sound quite nice, and bass is sounding really decent in this game. Hopefully this video helped you out with your purchase. Thanks for watching.